and I'm here to talk to you about researching your rock star costume. So you want to make a rock star costume. Well, before you can do that, you have to figure out just what exactly it's going to look like. In order to do that, you should do some research. Check online, look at articles on different musicians that you're interested in. Think about the style that you're interested in and do searches on that. You can also check with magazines. If you're interested in something that's more vintage, I have a magazine here from actually a little more than 10 years ago. And you can take a look in the magazine to get ideas for costumes. They'll give you a sense of the different kinds of rock star outfits that are out there and what kind of materials go into them. There have been rock stars since the 1950s, so there's many different kinds of styles you have to choose from. Anything from something more subdued like an early 60s to something more hippie like late 60s. 70s, you've got the glam rock, there are the punks, and then in the 80s, there's all that new wave stuff, and let's not forget all the hair bands and stuff like that. And then in the 90s, there's the grunge rockers. So there's a whole range of different kinds of costumes you could think of. It's important to do your research beforehand because once you start building a costume, you don't want to realize that you mismatch the styles and you have a costume that just doesn't make any sense, like the top part is punk and the bottom is hippie. That would just look ridiculous. So do your research ahead of time.